We're going to take a look at the patented wall attachment system. It's called the wall curtain. It's a simple process. It's an adhesive-based attachment to block, stone, brick, glass, metal, wood, whatever. No mechanical fasteners. We're going to simply take a bead of adhesive and we're going to attach a vapor barrier that will contour to your walls and make it a lot simpler and easier to accomplish a sealed crawl space. So here is a concrete block. I put this on yesterday, this seal. So today, I'm going to show you how simple this is to work. We use a magic adhesive. It's an adhesive we make that's required to attach these systems. What we're going to do is put a very small bead of adhesive down the foundation wall. This product's used typically for 1 foot to 3, possibly 4 foot crawl spaces. It's very simple. It comes in 2 foot rolls, 3 foot rolls, 4 foot rolls. And this is actually a patch kit that we use. It's a 1 foot patch kit. So I'm just going to use this for demonstration. You literally put your bead of adhesive on the foundation wall. You can see this. Just a very small bead. And you're going to take the activation strip of the liner, and you're literally, it's this simple. You push it into its activation strip, and you're done. You're done. You can hang it, like I say, 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 foot, 4 feet up the foundation wall. So what I'm going to do now is we've attached it here. The one I put on yesterday, I'm going to show you how strong it is. This is the one that was attached yesterday. So we're holding about a 30, 40 pound block up. You can see that this is maintained in adhesion, so it's got a good initial grab. It is going to take a bit for it to set up. Maybe even 24 hours to totally set up. But as you can see, it's very workable right off the bat. This is good for rough foundation walls where you really probably shouldn't be nailing or pinning it. And you'll find that really none of our systems require nails, pins, or whatnot. So yeah, try this. If it'll hold this block, it should hang on the wall pretty well. If you have any questions, call us at your Crawlspace.